Okay, same problem tayo. Yung ginamit natin na problem na FOB destination freight prepaid, gagamitin din natin. Pero, the arrangement regarding the shipping costs are as follows. Shipping terms, FOB destination, freight, collect. Okay, mag-review ulit tayo ng ating shipping terms. FOB destination pa rin, pero freight collect. FOB destination, pero freight collect. So, sulat natin dito. FOB destination, pero freight collect. Freight collect. So, ano ang ibig sabihin ng FOB destination? Freight collect. Balikan natin yung ating mga notes. FOB destination. Who will shoulder the shipping cost? Sino ang dapat magbayad ng shipping cost? Kapag FOB destination, si seller. Pero ito ay freight collect. Kapag freight collect, who pays the freight cost? Kapag freight collect, si buyer. So, in summary, ang shipping cost ay dapat si seller ang mag-shoulder. Si seller dapat ang magbayad. Pero, ang nagbayad ng freight cost ay si buyer since na freight collect. So, medyo unusual siya kasi magkaiba yung party na dapat magbayad and yung party na actual na nagbayad. Kasi dito, si seller dapat ang magbabayad ng shipping cost, pero si buyer ang actual na nagbayad. So, paano ang accounting treatment kapag FOB destination freight collect? Okay, balikan natin yung problem. Momo company paid the shipping cost on June 17. Freight collect, si buyer ang nagbayad ng shipping cost. So, si Momo ang nagbayad ng shipping cost noong June 17. And deducted the 600 pesos from the amount owed to Sana Company. A copy of freight bill to Sana Company was provided with the June 24 cash remittance. Sana Company remitted 5,280 on June 24. So, mamaya natin i-emphasize yung statement na yon. Balik tayo sa requirement. Prepare the entries needed for Sana and prepare entries needed for Momo Company. Mag-journal entry na lang muna ulit tayo ng transaction. Then, saka natin i-emphasize itong mga binanggit sa additional information. Okay, dito si Sana. Records ni Sana. On June 16, Sana Company sold merchandise to Momo for 6,000. Terms 2 over 10. Shipping cost 600 pesos. Okay. June 16. Debit accounts receivable, credit, sales, 6,000 pesos. Shipping costs were 600. So, remember ang ating freight term or shipping term, FOB destination, freight collect. FOB destination, si seller dapat ang magbayad ng freight cost. Pero, si buyer ang nagbayad. Si seller dapat ang magbayad, pero si buyer ang nagbayad ng shipping cost. Since na si seller ang dapat magbayad ng shipping cost, siya dapat ang mag-shoulder. Siya ang magre-record ng freight out. Kasi kung sino dapat ang mag-shoulder ng freight cost, siya ang magre-record ng freight out. 600 pesos. Pero kasi, si buyer ang nagbayad ng freight cost. Kumbaga, si seller dapat na magbayad, pero binayaran ni buyer. responsibility ni seller sa freight, pero si buyer ang nagbayad. So, ang gagawin ni seller dito, ibabawas niya yung freight charges na binayad ni buyer sa utang niya kay seller. So, 600. Kasi, si seller dapat ang magbabayad ng shipping cost kasi FOB destination. Pero freight collect, si buyer ang nagbayad ng shipping cost na dapat bayaran ni seller. So, ang gagawin ni seller, since binayaran na ni buyer yung shipping cost na which is si seller naman talaga dapat ang magbayad, babawasan niya na lang yung utang ni buyer sa kanya. Babawasan niya na lang yung utang ni Momo sa kanya. Freight out, debit, credit, accounts receivable, 600 pesos. Momo received the goods and Sana company's invoice on June 17. So, sa point of view naman ni Momo, nung June 17, debit, purchases, credit, accounts payable, 6,000 pesos. How about the freight cost? Kailangan bang mag-record si Momo? Well, actually, kailangan niya mag-journal entry kasi siya yung nagbayad ng freight charges. Si Momo ang nagbayad ng freight charges. Ito yun, no? Momo paid the shipping cost on June 17 and deducted the 600 pesos from the amount owed to Sana company. So, nagbayad siya. So, alam na natin na may credit cash na involved sa kanyang journal entry for freight. Credit cash, 600 pesos. And yung 600 pesos na yon deducted daw. Dineduct niya from the amount owed to Sana company. Bakit kaya niya dineduct? Kasi, si seller naman talaga dapat na magbabayad ng freight cost. Pero, binayaran na siya ni buyer. Si Sana dapat ang magbabayad ng freight cost. Pero, si Momo ang nagbayad. Kumbaga, binayaran ni Momo yung expense or yung charges na dapat hindi naman sa kanya. Or na dapat hindi naman siya ang magbayad. So, ibabawas niya yon from the amount owed to Sana company, 600 pesos. So, kumbaga parang instead na singilin ni Momo si Sana para sa freight charges na kanyang inabonohan muna, ibabawas niya na lang yung utang ni Sana kay Momo na freight cost dun sa accounts payable for the purchases ni Momo kay Sana. Debit accounts payable, credit, cash. On June 24, Momo sent the payment to Sana company, which Sana company received on June 25. So, nagbayad na si Momo. So, katulad lang din ng problem kanina, wherein na avail ni Momo company yung discount period. So, babayaran niya yung accounts payable kay Sana net of discount. Debit accounts payable, kano yon? 6,000 minus 600 pesos. That is 5,400. Debit, credit, cash, magkano yun? Okay, so mamaya natin lagyan yung amount na cash kasi kukumpitin pala natin yan. Then credit, purchase, discounts. Magkano? 6,000 times 2%. Ang discount ay nakabase lagi sa regular sale. Meaning, ang discount ay nakabase lagi sa amount na due from purchases of merchandise. Hindi sinasama sa discount yung freight charges. Lagi siyang nakabase dun sa sale ng merchandise. Nakabase siya sa sale ng merchandise or nakabase siya sa purchase ng merchandise. 6,000 times 2%, that is 120. So, yung total na babayaran ni Momo, that is 5,400. Saan ang galing ang 5,400? Yan yung total na payable niya kay Sana. Pero, naka-avail kasi siya ng discount, 120 pesos. So, 5,400 minus 120, that is 5,280 pesos. And nabanggit din pala dito, a copy of freight bill to Sana Company was provided with the June 24 cash remittance. Sana Company remitted 5,280 on June 24. So, nilagay na naman yung amount, which is tama dun sa na-compute natin, same ng amount, 5,280. And Sana Company received on June 25. So, na-receive na ni Sana yung payment June 25. Debit cash. Kano yun? 5,280. Debit. Sales discount, that is 120. Credit, accounts receivable, 6,000 minus 600, 5,400. So, nagawa na natin yung entries for Sana and Momo, assuming na ang shipping terms nila ay FOB destination, freight collect. So, dalawang shipping term na yung nagagawa natin. FOB destination, freight prepaid, tsaka FOB destination, freight collect. Paano naman kaya kapag FOB shipping point, freight prepaid? And paano din naman kaya kapag FOB shipping point, tapos freight collect? Paano kaya ang magiging journal entries natin for Sana Company and Momo Company?